Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. How's your day going? Mine's going pretty good. I am off to go watch my son race in a little bit for the Boise City Championship in cross country. Anyway, so I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. So I've got a 400 subscriber giveaway going on right now, as well as a couple others. I always do a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is in the Balm of Your Hands. I put a link for that giveaway as well as all my other giveaways in the description box down below. So BOXYCHARM has raised their normal box rate from $21 to $25. We're supposed to be getting some more higher end products with that. They also have announced the BOXYCHARM Premium, and that is $35 a month, and you're supposed to get over $175 value in that one. So you can't quite sign up for it yet. I signed up for the email to tell me when you can sign up for it. So I'm probably gonna do it once, see what I think, and kind of go from there the same way that I did with the Ipsy one, with the Ipsy Ultimate, that I should be getting shortly. So let's dive in. I do have a code for BOXYCHARM. Kind of helps you out, it helps me out, and I will put that link in the description box down below as well. Let's dive in and see what we got. We did get a little card. My version is version number 6 of the box that I got. And it does talk a little bit on here about Boxy Premium, that it's, value over $175 for only $35, limited quantity starting in November, better customization, more choices. So the value, and it talks about the value of the other one going up from $21 to $25. So now instead of a value, I think it was with the $21, you had a value in your box of over $100. Now your box will be over $125. So customization, now receive foundation and concealer products matched to your skin tone as if you were in the store. Swatch the different shades of the complexion blister pack that we will send in your November Boxy. Choices, now each charmer gets a chance to choose every month during the choice window, so make sure you look out for those emails for when the choice window is, because it's really small when you can choose your products. Choose a product you'd like to receive, and Boxy Luxe subscribers get the choice of 1 to 3 products in their next Boxy Luxe. Add-ons, now you don't need to get only one of the option. Add on all the awesome products of the amazing price from $3 to $18 each. Boxy Pop-Up, now shop Boxy Pop-Up every quarter. Enjoy makeup, skincare, lifestyle products at up to 80% off. The next Boxy Pop-Up will be in November. So the first product that I am pulling out is by Touch in Soul. It is their Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Retails for $32. Here's what this looks like. It's kind of interesting that when you open it up, it looks like it's supposed to open up like this. So all your product is here, and this is actually the lid, and then this is what it looks like. Almost has like a lemon sorbet type of smell to it. And it's really kind of thick. And I'm just putting some on here, and it just, melts right in. A little bit of a glow. Pretty. By Steve LAURANT is their Jelly Highlighter in the shade Prosecco Please. The jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab on with your finger for an effortless glow. Retails for $26. Because I don't use jelly highlighters, I've already started setting stuff aside for my 500 subscribers, so I'm going to be putting this one in there for you guys. By Iconic London is their Plumping Gloss. lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with biometric peptide that helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluptuous looking lips. I don't think it would really go well with what I'm wearing right now, but I will put this one in my stash. The JONTEBLU lip liner. Master any desired lip color and produce long-wearing staying powder with JONTEBLU lip liner pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for flawless lip coloring or as long-lasting base for any lip color. Retails for $5. This is really kind of pretty neutral here. I don't use wooden pencils on my lips, so I am going to be putting this one in the giveaway too. By Dose of Colors is the Marvelous Mauves palette. It's a 5-pan palette, eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is great weight, add boldness and vibrance to any of your looks. Retails for $32. Here are the shades. Here's what the packaging looks like. These are really, really pretty. I can't decide what I'm gonna do here. There's a mirror on the side. If I'm going to keep it or put it in a giveaway. I think I am. Sorry guys, I think I am gonna keep this one. So let's go ahead and swatch this. So here is that darker one here. Oh, they're so creamy. Look at that. The next one. Middle. They're not chalky, they're not anything like that. They're so creamy. It looks like they all are mattes. So I kind of ran out of fingers, so here's those 4. And then the lightest one is on this one. I think this is really pretty and I can't wait to use this. And it did also, I don't use them a whole lot, but it did also come with a brush. So what did you guys think? I really, really like this. We got some stuff for me, some stuff for you. What were your guys' favorites? I think this one was my favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.